Hey there guys, welcome to another video. My name is Sparkman. I'm a game developer. Today I'm going to answer a question from the comments. Okay, so the question says, how can I create a pause button for Windows and Android? Okay, so let's begin first with Windows. To do that, you simply go to application properties, and under the menu bar you can select your pause button. In this case it's Control P. This will pause your game. If you went to file and you click on pause, the game would stop. If you click continue, the game would continue. You can actually edit the shortcut for this. I'm going to edit this and I'm going to make it a new key. Let's make it spacebar. Take out control and let's try it out. Press spacebar, the game pauses. Now in Android, I don't think you can target that with the keyboard or a mouse click. So instead we're going to pause the game a little different. Okay, so I have a counter here and I'm going to tap on the screen to stop the game. Okay, counter equals 1, the game stops. If I click again, the game resumes. Okay, so let's go to the event editor. If the user taps on the screen or clicks on the screen, then we add 1 to this counter. If the counter is greater than 1, then we set the counter back to 0. You can see that works not too bad. So if the counter is equal to 0, then we set the speed of the object to 40. If the counter is equal to 1, then we simply set the speed of the object to 0. Try it out. Pause, stop, and go. And that seems to work not too bad. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you didn't like the video, smack the dislike button.